we can also graph the inequality based on the symbol used and isolating the intended variable. For example, if we have x greater than, the graph is to the right of the line. If we have x less than, the graph is to the left of the line. If we have y greater than, the graph is above the line. And if we have y is less than, the graph is below the line. Let's try this. Identify in which region or half plane the solution to the following inequalities. Y is less than 2x minus 3. Since this is in the form of y less than, the graph is below the line. Below of the line, y equals 2x minus 3. So let's try this one to graph first. Step 1, let the inequality be a linear equation. Since this is in the y form or slope-intercept form, our slope is 2 and our y-intercept is negative 3 at 0, negative 3. Plot the y-intercept 0, negative 3. Then use the slope in order for us to find another point in order for us to graph the line. So we have 0, negative 3, 2 units up, 1, 2, and then 1 unit to the right. Now we have 2 points. We can graph the line using the dash line, y dash line, because we have the symbol of less than. Then, instead of having a test point, we will just to identify where will be the below the line and where will be above the line. So this is below. So below the line will be here. So this is above and this will be below the line. So the half plane will be here. Therefore, that will be the graph of y is less than 2x minus 3. Let's have number 2. X is greater than 4 minus y. Let's determine where will be the shaded part. So this is x greater than. X greater than is to the right of the line. The graph is to the right of the line. Line of x equals 4 minus. So let's graph the given inequality. So first, we need to write the inequality as linear equation. X equals 4 minus y. Write the given in standard form. We transpose negative y to the left side. X plus y equals 4. Since 4 is divisible by numerical coefficient of x and y, we can use the intercept method. So x-intercept, to get the x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. Transpose or substitute the value of y. We have x plus 0 equals 4, or x is equal to 4. Therefore, our x-intercept at 4, 0. Next, y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. So we have 0 plus y equals 4, or simply y equals 4, our y-intercept at 0, 4. Plot the 2 points. We have 4, 0 and 0, 4. Draw a line. What kind of line? This is greater than, therefore we use dash line. Now we need to identify we need to identify where will be the shaded part. So the graph is to the right of the line. So this will be the line. This is the left side of the line, and this will be the right side of the line. Therefore, the graph or the half plane is in this side. We can also check if our graph is correct by having the test point. So for example, we use test point 0, 0 at the origin. Then we have x is greater than 4 minus y. Substitute the value of x and y. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0 greater than 4 minus 0. 0 greater than 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 greater than 4 is a false statement. Therefore, the graph should not include the test point. That's why we have the half plane here. Another example, we have y is less than or equal to 5. So we have y is less than. So we have the graph is below. The graph is below the line of y equals 5. So again, we just need to write the inequality as a linear equation. Now we need to graph y equals 5. So we just need to identify where will be 5 of y here. So we have 0, 5. So all of the points having y equals 5. So therefore, what kind of line? If we have y equals, that will be horizontal line. Now, let's identify where will be the half plane or the shaded region. So since this is below, this will be the graph of y is less than or equal to 5. Again, if we have y equals, the graph will be horizontal line. We use solid line because our inequality is less than or equal. Let's have number 4. X is greater than 5. So identify the shaded part. X greater than. The graph is to the right of the line x equals 5. Let's graph x equals 5. So x equals 5 where the value of x intercept is at 5, 0. So we have x equals the constant term. Therefore, it should be vertical line. What kind of line should be we using? Since this is greater than, we use dashed line. Next, graph the shaded region at to the right of the line. So this will be to the right of the given line. So that will be the graph of x is greater than 5. Example number 5, 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 10. Let's identify where will be the graph is or the shaded part. So we have 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 10. So we need to write it as x or y. So isolating either of the variable. So let's use y. So let's make this one as transpose 2x. We have negative y is greater than or equal to transpose 2x. We have negative 2x plus 10. Then, divide both sides by -1. Since we divide it by -1 or negative number, what will happen to the symbol? We need to switch the symbol from greater than or equal to less than or equal. So negative y over -1 is y. Negative divide by negative, that will be positive, so 2x. Positive divide by negative, that will be -10. So again, in dividing or multiplying negative numbers to the inequality, we need to switch the position of the symbol. So this will be y is less than, therefore the graph is below the line. The graph is below the line. Now we need to graph the line. Line of y equals 2x minus 10. This is in y form or slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. The value of m is 2 and the value of b is -10. Therefore, it is at 0, -10 because b is said to be the y-intercept and our slope is 2 or 2 over 1. Plot the point 0, -10. We have 0, -10. Then we use this slope to identify the other point. 2 units up, 1, 2, and then 1 unit to the right. Now we can graph the line since our inequality symbol is greater than or equal, or it should be less than or equal. Our kind of line is solid line. Identify where will be below the line. So this will be the given line above and this will be below. So the shaded region is below the line and that will be the graph of 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 10. We can also put 2x minus y greater than or equal to 10 into x form. So if we use x form, we have to transpose -y. So we have 2x greater than or equal to y. So negative, it will become positive, y plus 10. Divide by 2. Next, so 2x divide by 2 is x. Greater than or equal, y over 2 plus 5. X greater than or equal, where will be the graph of the line? It is in the right of the line. So if this will be the given line, where will be the right? Here. So as you can see, below the line and right the line is the same graph.